What's going on, guys? F.Cruisee here, and welcome to my channel. So today, this is my first video on cars. I do have another, excuse me, I do have another channel for my other regular content, F.Cruisee.
F.Cruisee.
It's FY for any G's. Dumb fuck. Anyways, so today we're gonna be doing an Axleback exhaust install. So I just bought a 2018 Subaru BRZ, and it's kind of bland. You know, I got the car about 2 weeks ago. I already installed the carbon fiber steering wheel. I'm gonna show it right here. So kind of didn't record for that, but I thought an exhaust would be very helpful for those of you that need help with installing an exhaust. Not a full exhaust tips. So if you guys haven't already, drop a like and subscribe, and welcome to my new channel. I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. It's kind of raining outside. I chose an amazing day to do this, and I actually have a garage, but guess what? It's kind of full. But we don't care about that, so let's just get right into it. Before anything, right, you guys need to have a ratchet with a 14 mil and a wrench 14 mil. Or have an impact drill. Is gonna make your job easier if you live in states where, you know, they drop salt on the floor and stuff like that, and you have rusted bolts. You need WD-40, and that's basically everything you really need. And you need probably pliers to pull the hangers off, or if you have like a freaking exhaust hanger clip thing, let's just take it off, even better. It just makes it a lot easier. So this right here is a 14 mil, so we're on the left side of the car. So basically, you grab your 14-inch wrench, you put it right here, you put this right there, you basically just unloosen it the entire way through, and like that, this bolt just slide clean off. And just remember, take out both bolts, the one that goes right here and the one that goes up here. And then we go on to the other side, and the bolts should be in the same spots. I lied to you, there's no bolts on the other side. That's it. All you gotta do is take off the bolts right there. Now it's time to take off the hangers. One of the hangers is located right here, and on the other side is located right here and right here. You just gotta make sure you get all the hangers out. You will fight to get these hangers off. So what I did, if you don't have hanger pliers, grab yourself a flathead, and this right here will be inside this hole right here. So I would stick a flathead, turn it so it's in a straight up position, and then with both your hands, pull this part this way. So pull it back towards the wheel on both sides. Right here, I'm gonna show you exactly how I do it. Grab your flathead, zoom in. Be very careful, because I literally just dropped the stock exhaust tip right on the damn floor. So make sure that the other side of the muffler is already falling. But stick it in there, twist it. Well, it should be more easier to come out now that the exhaust is off. But come here. Stick some wrap in there. It's not easy to remove. It's not easy. And make sure you spray with WD-40, because this is a bitch to take out. I can't lie to you guys. Boom. Comes right out. So now, be careful with the very last one, because as y'all saw right now, it dropped on my leg on the other side. So you make sure when you take off the last part, you brace yourself, because this part right here, with this hanger right here, this hanger on this side right here, let me show you guys. This last one right here, that's the last one. And you don't want this exhaust to fall on your chest, because I can't lie to you, that shit is very, very, very heavy. That is uninstalled. Let's get a start real quick for the one time, right? I can't lie to y'all, that was pretty loud. But now it's time to get my PLM exhaust put on now. Exhaust, all you gotta do is grab this piece. There's a gasket. Just put the gasket and connect it together right here. And then there's another gasket for this end piece right here. You just install it the same way you took it apart. Hangers first, bolt it down, and that's basically it. I'm gonna help you guys. Let me show y'all. See, lightly tighten one side. So boom, I got one side done. Now, just line up the bottom part. Like I said, lightly thread it and then move it around. Thread it hard enough so it sits snug. Because you want it to sound good, look good. All of the above, literally. After that, once you got everything lined up perfectly nice, you hand tighten it. And if you're using impact, as soon as it locks out, done. Get what I mean? You do it, done. So I'm just making sure everything's nice and done. I'm very picky with my work, that's all. It was a little bit of a pain, but I'm gonna tell you guys which order to do it. So first, you do this one right here. There's two. So there's one right here in the front. See that's in? And there's this one. So first you do this one, okay? Next, you do the one on the opposite side, okay? That way it's already hung up and all you gotta do is fiddle and get these in. You just fiddle with them a little bit, spray some WD-40 so you grease it up and they just slide right in. Now, we gotta line the gasket up in between these and just freaking bolt them on. And then that's really the rest of the job. For a while, I finally, like, look at my hair, damn, I look crazy, bro. Well, you gotta make these line up really good, bro. Now you'll have an exhaust leak. But this is what I got so far. Well, actually, it's all done, if I'm being completely honest. And now, it's time for you guys to get the cold start of this new exhaust. Sounds a whole lot better, it looks a whole lot better, it just is better. If you guys found this video useful, make sure you drop a like and subscribe. Follow my other channel. I hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful for you, make sure you drop a like, and like I said, subscribe, follow all my social medias, and yeah, I'm gonna start doing more car content, and I'm just here to help y'all out.